Morning to everyone. So I'm Foon, Chung. So I'm from University of Southampton. I'm studying for energy and sustainability, also in building service. Okay, so my topic today is about sentient building. Start with the introduction. So a sentient building is defined as a building that can understand the indoor environment measurements, then process the data and interpret the data and give like a real-time response to user. The key elements in the sentient building will be the building information, self-actualizing building models, and application. So the aim and objective of my study will be to understanding sentient building specific for the office building and focus on elements, energy, and comfort challenge. So to achieve my aim and objective, so I've go through start with the literature review to understanding the knowledge gap between me and other researchers. Then I do conduct case study of IoT system for buildings. Then deploy a building system reusing the system of flow and conditional structure. So after I deploy the system, then I conduct the usability test to test out my deployed system. So the case study I conduct is a model campus building 178 of University of Southampton. So that's the sensor I installed in the building, which is the indoor environmental sensor. This sensor is used to take the data of the temperature, barometric humidity, and also the CO2 concentration. And the data, the sensor was installed during the end of May until now. So that is the data that have been collected and filtered out within the office hour, which is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So the system I deployed is one of the features, which is the meeting room forecasting. The chatbot system over here can read the user date and time, then forecasting the indoor environments of current time and future 30 minutes or 1 hour. Another feature of the system will be room booking system, which is able to check the availability of the room, then check the indoor environments and help the user to book the room and send the notification to the user email. So the increasing trend of my result is because currently it's during the summertime, which the data obtained, and also the building orientation, which is facing the south and the west, so we're causing the temperature increasing over the time. And the relative humidity is between the comfort zone, is because they have the mixed mode ventilation system in the buildings. And also for the CO2 concentration, there's a peak more than 1,000, which means that across these 14 weeks, every week there got a meeting happening in the buildings within that time period. So the limitation of my study is because they have a limited message that can be prompted in the system, which limit my usability test survey, 5 occupants in total. So to conclude my study, the sentient building was performed within a sensor-supported dynamic and self-updating internal representation. Thank you for listening.